We're going to go ahead and look at equations of parallel and perpendicular lines. So, the first one they give us, equation for line U can be written as y equals -1/4 x plus 2. Line V is perpendicular, includes this point. So basically, they've given us a point slope. So I'm going to go ahead and start a text box here so I can show you my thought process. We know a point, 3, 2. We know slope, opposite of -1/4, so it's positive 4. So I'm going to start with my point slope. I'm going to do y minus y1 is 2, and it equals 4, because we know the opposite of -1/4 is 4. And then we're going to do x minus 3. Okay, if I work out the distributive property on the right side, that becomes 4x minus 12. And if I add 2 to both sides, that becomes 4x minus 10. So that right there should be my answer. So let's go ahead and try that out. 4x minus 10. Alright, that worked. Alright, let's go ahead and do another one. Maybe you see my thought process. We have an equation, we have parallel, we have a slope. So let's go ahead and say our slope is also going to be -5. We know our point is 1, -6. And I'm going to do point slope. I'm going to do y minus, what's y1? -6, so actually let me change that to a +6 with the double negatives. Put my slope out in front and do x minus 1, x1. Okay? Distributing the right side becomes -5x. If you multiply a -5 times a -1, you get +5. And I'm going to go ahead and subtract 6 from both sides, making that equal to, if I do 5 minus 6, I get a -1. So this right here should be my answer. Let's try that out. Okay, I'm sure they will get more challenging than that, but that should be enough to help you get started.